One of the many things that we do here at H&H to improve our processes is study different types of lean manufacturing books. One of the ones that we've recently been going through is a book called 2-Second Lean. One of the premises in 2-Second Lean is that you need to be in control of yourself. You can't fix other people, you can only fix yourself. And one of the things that they emphasize is fix what bugs you, what things bug you every day. So this is a quick video showing some of the things that I do to fix what bugs me every day. So every morning when I come in and I start up my computer, I have to come in and launch a bunch of different applications. Now, I'm going a little bit beyond what I normally would do just to show you how much I could do. So I would have to come in and launch Chrome, come down and launch Microsoft Office, or actually Microsoft Outlook. And after that launches, I would go and find Skype. And obviously, I could have all these in the dock, but the point is I'm having to click through every single one of these applications to launch them. And the last one I need is to launch my terminal to access another piece of software. So you can see even if those were in the dock, I've got 4 or 5 clicks to go through to get each one of those launched and access. In addition to that, I need to connect to 4 or 5 different servers, so I have to manually come in and use my connect to server and bring those in. This is something that if I was on a PC, I wouldn't have to necessarily do, or I would do it a little bit differently. So on a Macintosh, you have to actually mount those servers, and you can see I have to come in on every single one, select it. And that's something that I couldn't put into the dock. I actually have to use that connect to server method to get those in there. And you can see it does take a little bit of time to get them all loaded up. And in this example, I just loaded up 4 of them. You can see they're on the desktop. So I'm going to quickly eject all those and then close all the programs that I just started and show a different way to do this. So now I'm going to show you a little bit better way of doing this. I'm going to combine 2 different things together. One is I'm going to use the Spotlight feature to just type in the command or the application that I want to run. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and start up Spotlight, and I have an Automator action called Start Work Utilities, and it automatically loads up the 4 applications that we started earlier. And you see it just did those very quickly. It brought up Chrome, Outlook, there's Skype, and then I'm going to move everything around so you can see a terminal there in the background. So just typing in the STAR just to get that going, it launched all 4 of those applications. I also have another one that's called Connect to Servers. Same thing, just start typing it in. You see that little gear running that says the Automator is running in the background, and it launched all 5, or actually in this case, mounted all 5 of those servers on the desktop for me very, very quickly. So I'm going to show you now just kind of what those automators look like. And automators, actually you have a workflow and an application. So what you're seeing on that screen are all the applications, and the workflows are what you can come in and program. And so this first one that we opened up is our Connect to Servers workflow. And you can see on here it lists the 5 servers that I am connecting to, and if I need to modify that, it's very easy to do. The other one is my Start Work Utilities. We open that one up. One of the things that my Automator does is automatically mutes my computer for me, and then it launches those 4 applications. And again, it's very quick and easy to bring those or modify those applications in there. The last thing that I want to show you is one of the things that I did with Chrome is you notice it automatically launches 4 tabs at once or 3 tabs at once. And you can get to that by going into the startup pages and adding pages to those so that when you start Chrome, the pages that you need are right there. So I hope that helps you guys out. Automator is a built-in application that is for Mac users. There are equivalent applications for the PC that will do a lot of those same things. And there's some other ways that you could get similar results by loading your applications into your login menu or things like that. I like using the automators because there are times that I don't need all those applications to run. If I'm working from home, I might not want to launch everything. And so just by running that automator, I can tell you which ones to go with.